Once again, it's Mustafa Zakaria with your channel Think in English. Now we're gonna finish our first unit of second prep. خلص الوحدة الأولى للصف الثاني الإعدادي. Are you waiting for? Come on. Listen to these words and repeat. Armchair, armchair, bookshelf, bookshelf, chest of drawers, chest of drawers, lamp, lamp, sofa, sofa, nature reserve, nature reserve, nature reserve, basin, basin, carpet, carpet, curtains, curtains, mirror, mirror, wardrobe, wardrobe, cushion, 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 bedroom, bedroom, nearby, nearby, sunlight, sunlight, Oxford, Oxford, best wishes, best wishes, penfriend, penfriend, corner, corner, downstairs, downstairs, restaurant, restaurant, Germany, Germany, Cambridge, Cambridge, information, information, profile, profile, describe, described, describe, described, practice, practiced, practice, practiced, match, match as a verb, match, matched. Now listen to these expressions and repeat. Like best, like, for example, I like English best. Like best, practice English, practice English. Play music, play music. Get dressed, get dressed, get dressed. Be a short walk from. Again, be means am or is or are. He is a short walk from the school, for example. Sleep with the curtains open. Sleep with the curtains open, open. Take photos, take photos. Now listen to these words with prepositions and repeat. Belong to, belong to, help, space, with something. Help with, help with. Learn from, have lessons, have lessons. Far from, hear from, hear from. Look out of, look out of, look out of. On the front, on the front, on the front, on the floor, on the floor. Thank for, thank someone for something. I thanked Ali for his help. And again, listen to forms of irregular verbs. Listen and repeat. Read, read, read. Go, went, gone. Send, sent, sent. Write, wrote, written. Write, wrote, written. Now, look at these language notes. What's the difference between love and would love? The verb love comes before verb plus ing or to plus infinitive. For example, I like traveling around the world, or I like to travel around the world. What about would life? Would life comes before to plus infinitive. Look at this example. He'd love to visit the nature reserves. He'd love to visit the nature reserves. These words, information, advice, and news, always singular, but we don't put in front of them a or an, and they take singular verb. كلمات دي تعامل دائما معاملة المفرد، ولا نضع أمامهم a أو an ويليهم فعل لفاعل مفرد. For instance, على سبيل المثال, the advice you gave me helped me a lot. Okay? And now, the last thing, there are some prepositions of place, بعض حروف جر المكان, like next to, and listen to these examples. The ball is next to the table. Okay, behind. The book is behind the sofa. In front of. For instance, the chair is in front of the sofa. The chair is in front of the sofa. Under. The mirror is under the chair. The mirror is under the chair. Opposite. The telephone is opposite the fan. The telephone is opposite the fan. On. The pen is on the bed. The pen is on the bed. In. The book is in the bed. The book is in the bag. Now, I think we mentioned everything about the first unit of second prep, but there are some question words we have to know, like what, where, who, whose, when, why, which, how, and other words like what class, what time, what color, how many, how long, how heavy, how much, how often. You have to watch these videos many times and repeat and answer questions at any book, and may Allah give you the best success.